Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Shawna Plant-Based Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always remember, your health is your wealth. Welcome everyone to my channel for another week. So I couldn't let Easter come and I didn't post a Jamaican Easter bun video, and this is a tradition for us back home in Jamaica. We eat Easter bun with cheese, fish. I'll be eating it with avocado or whatever else I choose. So stay tuned for this video. And here are just some of the ingredients that I have. I have 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of brown light sugar. I have nutmeg, I have cinnamon, I have baking powder and salt in the small white bowl. So to kick it off, I'm going to sieve my dry ingredients. And I run all the dry ingredients except the sugar, which I will combine with my wet ingredients. So in here I have 1 tablespoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Also add 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. And I also add 1 teaspoon nutmeg. And I'll sieve that. And I'll combine with my whisk. So now I move on to my wet ingredients. So here I have my wet ingredients. I'll be using 1 bottle of vitamalt. If it needs more, I will add if the mixture is too thick. I use 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon mixed essence. In here I have 1/4 cup red label wine and some of the vitamalt. I do have raisins, mixed peel, and cranberries. Browning, I'll use a little bit of it just so it's not too light. I want it a little dark. As my egg replacement, 2 tablespoons flaxseed and 4 tablespoons warm water. And in here I have a cup of brown sugar. First, I will pour my fruit mixture into the baking tin. Sugar, the remaining vitamalt. You can use dragon stout if you have. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon mixed essence. So I will combine all of this together just to mix out the sugar. So if you are using the coarse sugar, you can put it over some heat and let it dissolve. And this smells so lovely, guys, because I had the fruit soaking for a couple of days, not too long. But you don't have to soak them for so long. You can soak them an hour or 2 before. And now add my egg mixture substitute. This is a vegan recipe, and I also preheat my oven at the moment at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 degrees Celsius. My dry ingredients, and I will pour half of the flour in there and combine. Pour the remaining half and combine both. The mixture now is too light. I want it to be a little bit darker. So I'll add a teaspoon of, because it's not a Christmas cake, you don't want it to be too brown. You don't want to add too much. So you don't want to over mix your batter. This is good now. So now it's time to put it in the baking pan. So I grease my baking pan and now I'm adding the batter to it. So now that I added my batter, I'm going to give it a little shake. And I have some mixed peel. I'm just going to add it to the top of it, just so some colors. And I will bake this for 40 to 45 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 degrees Celsius. So I see you soon. So I took the bun out the oven and I have a mixture of some Welch's grape jam and some juice. So I just coat it just to get some sheen. I had some maple syrup, but I was going to use that, but it spoiled, so I have to use something else. This is the final product of my Jamaican Easter bun with currants, mixed peel, and all the works. So you can add whatever you choose. So this is the consistency of the Jamaican Easter bun. Is very moist. I will definitely have this with some avocado. So be sure to tune in to my channel for more and more recipes. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Have a blessed Easter holiday. Thank you. Always remember, your health is your wealth.